You've chosen the GROHE Ladylux L2 kitchen faucet, the ultimate pull-down and pull-out faucets for any modern kitchen. Now let us help you install it. This installation is for the following models. This installation has 3 key steps. Step 1. Installing the faucet body. Step 2. Connecting the spray head. And Step 3. Connecting the hoses. Before we begin, let's check a few things. Open the box and compare it to the instruction list to see if you have everything you need. You should have the following items: faucet body, faucet spout, spray head, aerator tool, mounting hardware, quick coupler, washers and weight. You will need the following tools: Phillips screwdriver, adjustable crescent wrench and eye protection. Before installation, turn off the water, remove the old faucet and clean the surfaces thoroughly. Step 1. Installing the faucet body. Slide the washer onto the faucet body. Slide the hot and cold water hoses through the sink opening. Underneath the sink, install the mounting hardware, starting with the black washer, then the grey washer, and finally slide the lock nut up and tighten. If you have a stainless steel sink, you will need to add the extra mounting support in between washers and the lock nut to secure the faucet. Make sure washers and support are in the correct order or the nut will not tighten properly. Step 2. Connecting the spray head. Above the sink, find the spray head and push the end of the spray hose into the connector and tighten the chrome collar on the hose. Hand tighten only. Slide the other end of the hose through the spout and through the mounted faucet body. Secure the spout onto the faucet body. Underneath the sink, slide the weight onto the hose coming from the spray head, but do not tighten. Attach the quick coupler to the end of the hose. Hand tighten only. Pull down on the collar of the quick coupler and connect it to the faucet feed. Release. Gently tug on the hose to make sure the connection is secure. Slide the weight to just above the bend of the hose. Tighten the screws to secure. Step 3. Connecting the hoses. Now you're ready to connect the water line. When attaching the inlet hoses, avoid stretching, kinking and sharp bends. Connect the hoses to the water supply. Hot water on the left, cold water on the right. Open the hot and cold water supply and check that all connections are watertight. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the GROHE Ladylux L2 kitchen faucet. To register your faucet, share information on the Ladylux faucet or find information on other products, please visit our website.